Light painting is a photographic technique. Here, light is painted into the photograph using a handheld light source. To start the light painting, you should have a camera with manual exposure control, a tripod to hold the camera steady, and a light source. A light source can be anything that emits a bright light. In this video, I have used stick firecrackers. The background must be darker. ISO level can be adjusted to change the brightness of the background. This is the photograph I have shot. These are some other photographs I have recorded now. I have downloaded some other photograph from the internet which is captured using light painting technique. These photographs are recorded using high quality cameras. You also can try more photographs using this technique.